Welcome! In this video, we're going to learn how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Office. Almost 2 years ago, we uploaded a video, How to Add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Since then, Grammarly has made some changes, so we're going to show you a new, updated way to install Grammarly to Microsoft Office. Grammarly is a writing assistant that corrects grammar and spelling errors in your written communication, depending upon where you install it. You can use it in your browser and get corrections on emails, social media, or long documents, such as in this tutorial. You can use the free, limited version of the app or upgrade to the premium, where you can see more advanced options, such as the style or tone of the text you want to write. First, you need to download Grammarly on your computer. Search for an installation link on the Grammarly website. You can use the link in the description below, too. Click on Get Grammarly, it's free, and sign up with your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account to download the free Microsoft Office plugin on your computer. After signing in, navigate to Apps in the Grammarly dashboard and click Install next to Grammarly for Windows. If you have previously installed the Grammarly add-in, click Reinstall. After downloading, double-click the file on the left of the bottom bar of your browser window. In the Sign In dialog box, select Continue to Grammarly. In the Welcome dialog box, you can see some examples of how Grammarly works. Click Replay to run the demonstration animation, and click Next to move forward. Select the Grammarly program you want to use, free or premium. In this video, we're going to select Continue for free. Lastly, click Start using Grammarly. And in the Set Goals dialog box, customize your writing suggestions based on your goals. You can customize the audience, formality of your text, domain, and intent. Once you're all set, click Done. In the browser, Grammarly opens a demo document where you can see and try to adjust the text with various writing suggestions. You can close the browser tab and run any Microsoft Office app. Grammarly will automatically make writing suggestions and corrections according to your goal and audience preferences. Click the MS Word icon on the desktop and Grammarly should be working. You can see the Grammarly icon in the bottom right corner of the application. And if there's any mistake in your document, the Grammarly icon goes red with the number of writing suggestions for your text. To expand the suggestions, click on the icon and select provided suggestions to accept or dismiss each one. And that's all. Now you can enjoy your emails and documents with correct grammar and spelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.